We can remember doing something, and we can remember to do something. However, these are not the same. So today, we are going to look at how to use each of them. Let's start with remember verb ing. This basically means that something happened in the past. And right now, in your mind, you can access this memory or this experience. You can see it. You know that it happened. So basically, there are two steps. First, something happens. Then, later, you bring that past experience into your mind. And today, I'm going to use this with present simple tense, because this is very commonly used with present simple tense, and doing this will keep the example simple and easy to understand. Maybe when you were a very young child, you went to Egypt with your family. Now that you are older, your mother might ask you if you remember going to Egypt. Or maybe your boss is upset with you because you bought vanilla cake for the office party, but your boss wanted you to buy chocolate cake. If your boss says, "I told you to buy chocolate cake," you could reply, "Sorry, I don't remember you saying that." Or if someone says that you said something and you really don't think that you said that, you could say, "I don't remember saying that." And here are some other examples that you can use in real-life situations. I remember coming here when I was very young. I remember hearing something about that on the news. I don't remember meeting him. She doesn't remember asking him that. Do you remember going there with me? Do you remember him telling you that? When there is something that we need to do in the future, we use remember to. With this one, first, the thing enters your mind. And then, second, you do it. Last night, I was about to go to bed, but in my mind, I thought, "Oh no, the light is still on downstairs. I need to go turn it off." So I went downstairs and I turned it off. I remembered to turn off the light. Here are a few more examples that you might be able to use in your daily life. Please remember to call me when you arrive. We need to remember to stop at a gas station on the way there. Did you remember to call him back? Will you remember to do it, or do you need me to remind you? There's no way I'm going to remember to do that. Unfortunately, he didn't remember to do it. And yes, there are also other ways to use remember that I didn't talk about today. This video is just about the difference between remember verb ing and remember to verb. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.